Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to link or how to connect Roblox account to Medal account. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. First of all, open roblox.com and log into your account. Then you can also go to medal.tv website and log into your account, or you can simply in Windows just type Medal and open the Medal TV app. Once the Medal TV app get launched, click on your profile and then click on settings. Now on the left panel, scroll down and under user settings you will see connected accounts. So click on connected accounts and here you can see add an account. You can see various options. So I just want to connect my Roblox account. So click on Roblox. It will say select account to continue to Medal. So click on continue. Then scroll down. Then click on continue again. And then it will ask confirm and give access. Let me tell you, it will grant access to view inventory information for your account, grant access to view community information for your account, and your personal profile. View your Roblox user ID to know who you are, and view your username, display name, user avatar, and profile link. That's it. So if you agree, then click on confirm and give access. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily connect or link your Roblox account with Medal account. So I hope by following these steps, you can easily connect Roblox account or link Roblox account to Medal account. So that's all for this video.